Did you know what mathematics it is? Do you believe that we can't live without mathematics? Mathematics is very important in our daily life. In this video, we're talking about mathematics in nature. So now, let's explore the beauty of math in nature.
We all know that math have patterns. A pattern is a thing that is repeated arrangement, form, or design following a sequence. There are four classifications of most common patterns in nature. First is symmetry. It is a pattern that shows reflection of images. There are two categories of symmetry. First is bilateral, which is two opposite sides have identical features, and one of the example is human body, and second is radial, formed around a central axis, and one of the example is a gumamela flower. Next is tessellation. A tessellation is a pattern that depicts figures closely fitting together with no gaps in between. One of the example is honeycomb. Honeycomb structure is natural and is created for efficient use of space. Next is spiral. Spiral is a pattern that moves around a central point and continuously widening. One of the example is sunflower seeds. In a sunflower, there are two series of curves winding in opposite directions, starting at the center and stretching out to the petals to create a spiral. In this picture, Fibonacci sequence is demonstrated. Fibonacci sequence, by the way, is the series of numbers 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on, where the next number of the sum of the two numbers before it. These numbers form a perfect spiral pattern shown in the figure. Fibonacci sequence was popularized by Leonardo of Pisa, which is most commonly known as Fibonacci. The last but not the least is fractal. A fractal is a pattern which repeats at progressively smaller sizes and angles. Fern is one of my favorite examples of fractal. It is because fern has its natural patterns. Its stems and leaves are patterned from bigger to smaller measurements, but with the same shape. Those are just some of my favorite examples of patterns in mathematics in nature. Again, this is Leonila Ricciardo, your presenter. Thank you for watching.